How to contact Uzum seller support. First of all, open the app on your device. At the top of the home page, use the search bar to type in the name of the product you are interested in. Tap on the correct products from the results to open its details page. On the product page, scroll down until you see the seller information section. There, you will find the seller or store name. Tap on it to open the seller's store page. Inside the store page, look for the online chat option. Tap on it to start a direct chat with the seller. You can now type your message, ask about product details, shipping, return policies, or any concerns you have. The seller will reply directly in the chat. This makes it easy to connect with Uzum seller support anytime you want more information before or after placing an order. Now you know how to contact Uzum seller support. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more shopping tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.